Alright, here's a big nodule just found by the car. Check it out. Here's the moss on the side. You can see it's a big nodule. I have to cut this one open. It's got some interesting stuff going on inside this one. This one's pretty cool. I like this one. Alright, so Great Balls Jasper. It's a big old nodule, Jasper agate nodule. This thing weighs a ton. Good size, got pretty colors. And then I found this little guy, which I ain't gonna keep either one of these, but some of that banded jasper. Alright, there's the jaspers for today, so don't give me a hard time about just short moss agates. Alright, cool. Alright, here's another cool piece of jasper. Check it out. Got some agate going through there. Alright, cool. Not coming home with me. Bye. Alright, here's another cool one. Check it out. It's kind of like a melted jasper over, I don't know, agate. It's got this cool pattern now. Not on this side. Not on this side. Just on the top. I wonder if that would stay if you tumbled it. Anyway, cool. Alright, you ready for this one? Holy mackerel. Look at the banding and color in that. It's like a peachy color. Oopsie, almost dropped you. Makes a curve right there. Oh, is that moss? Looks like they got a little moss down here too. Check it out. A little flame moss action going on there. Cool, but look, that's the main thing. Check that out. Cool colors. It has bands. Do we call that an agate? Or is it banded jasper with agate? Who cares? It's cool. I love it. Alright, bye. Okay, this one's not big, but I want to show you the pattern on it. And this is wet, right? Look at this crazy pattern on this. It's yellow. Haha, you saw my stick fell. It didn't go because I got it on this little thing. Haha, you didn't get to hear the clunk on the ground like you usually do. Anyway, this one here has got this like tiger looking pattern. That is so cool, man. I wish I could find a giant one like this. It's got yellow, green, a little maroon in there. Anyway, I know it's small, but I thought it was just a pattern on it. I just saw the pattern on the ground. I thought it was really cool. Alright. Alright, check this one out. There's the green. It's dark though. Trying to get a good picture. There's good moss in here. I'm trying to find it. Once I slice this one up, this is going to be pretty. I know it is. Where's that moss? Is this it? Here you go. You get some of the moss right here. Boy, it's hard without light. Let's see the petroleum patterns. Alright, cool. I know it doesn't look like much, but I promise you this one's going to be pretty. Alright. Alright, how about this one? If we could focus it. Weird yellow, liney, mossy pattern in there. So the agate nodule, or agate jasper nodule. Wish we had better light. Alright, cool. Alright, here's another wild and crazy one. Check it out. Once you focus, there you go. It's a chicken. It's head and a beak. Bark, bark, bark. Pretty cool pattern. Kind of crazy. I call this color booger on that side. Man, you cannot get a good picture today. Usually I can't see what I'm trying to film. Today it's like I can't get anything to really come out. Alright, cool. Alright, here's a pretty moth in the dark. It is getting windy and cold. Looks like the rain went around me. Anyway, that's a really cool moss. Nice little chunk. And I got this little chunk. Little piece of like agate, fire agate. Anyway, cool. Well, I didn't escape the rain, but I found this beauty running back to the car to haul butt out of here. Check it out. Alright, we're getting rained on. Bye, gotta go. Here's a weird one I just picked up. Check it out. So that's what it looks like on the side. Watch the top. Look at the top of this agate. What's going on there, huh? What's going on there? Did it drip down like this? Anyway, thought that was cool. And then I found this little guy. Little Carnelian butt. Even without almost any sun. Oh, it started raining on me, but thank God the rain's blowing that way and the sun's coming out. All right, y'all, thanks for making it to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This was another great hunt. I love exciting. Had a great time. I got more coming, and I'll see y'all on the next one.